In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve This item is currently locked by the instructor message on Coursera. If you've run into this message, don't worry, you haven't done anything wrong. This notice typically means the course platform is preventing access for one of a few reasons. The lesson might be scheduled to open at a later date, your payment or subscription status might not be recognized yet, or the course requires you to complete earlier materials in a strict order. What's important to understand is that this is a platform lock, not a technical error on your device, and it isn't something you can fix from your side alone. Because this lock is controlled at the course or system level, the correct next step is to contact Coursera support. They can look directly at your enrollment, your payment status, and the course's release schedule, and then make any adjustments needed or coordinate with the instructor team. Trying to troubleshoot locally won't remove the lock, so going straight to support saves time and avoids frustration. When you reach out, make your message clear and complete so they can help faster. Share the exact course name and the specific item that's locked, such as the week, lesson, quiz, or project. Include the full text of the message you're seeing. This item is currently locked by the instructor. And briefly note any relevant context, like whether you recently enrolled, switched payment plans, or just completed a previous module. If you have a screenshot of the message, that's even better, because it shows precisely where the lock appears. It can also help to mention the device and browser you're using, and roughly when you encountered the issue. What happens next will depend on the cause. If it's a scheduling matter, support can confirm the release date or coordinate an unlock if appropriate. If it's tied to payment, they can verify your subscription or transaction and refresh your access. If the course enforces strict sequential progress, they'll identify the prerequisite item that needs to be marked complete and help resolve any progress tracking glitches. To recap, the locked by the instructor message is a platform-controlled gate that signals scheduling, payment, or sequential progress requirements. It isn't a user-fixable error. The solution is to contact Coursera support with clear details so they can review your account and promptly lift the barrier or explain the timeline. Follow this approach and you'll get back to learning with minimal delay.